Good morning and welcome to your first video on your lessons. And because we're doing standards base, we need to know what the standards are. And we are in up here, so grade 7 here, and it's rates and proportions. That's what the RP is. Dot 2 means the second standard, and also this one is the second standard B. So we have two things that we're looking at, two standards that you're meeting with this lesson. All right, and standard 7, RP2B, it says identify the constant of proportionality. It's really the unit rate in tables, graphs, and equations, diagrams, and verbal descriptions of proportional relationships. An awful lot of words, but anyways, we're going to get started, and we're looking at example 1 on page 10 in your book, so follow along. And it says, Adrian biked 24 miles in 4 hours. So 24 miles, let's pull out the math, in 4 hours. Having a hard time with this pen. If she biked at a constant speed, how many hours did she ride in 1 hour? And so because we're looking at rates, and rates is the comparison of two different things. So we have miles here and hours. Those are two different things we're comparing. And so we're going to set it up as a fraction, 24, and we're just going to use the fraction way over 4 hours. And so we want, how much should she bike in 1 hour? We want to know the unit rate. So remember, that is where the denominator is 1. So you divide both the denominator and the numerator by the denominator, which is 4, and you get 6 miles per 1 hour, because you want the unit rate of 1 hour. So Adrian biked 6 miles in 1 hour. So 6 miles in 1 hour. It looks much like a fraction, only you're going to keep the units, which is miles an hour. And when you're doing a unit rate, that is when your denominator is 1, so you can easily compare. So she did 1 hour in 1 hour for 6 miles. In 2 hours, she'd go 12 miles. And in 3 hours, she'd go 18 miles, and so on. Thank you.